We tried the newly opened Sam Sam Chicken Korean Cafe and Kitchen located at Greenbelt 3 near the cinema. Ang ganda ng ambience ng store nila. It's very maaliwalas, cozy, relaxing, and has a friendly vibe to it. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman, di ba? First to arrive on our orders are the drinks. Fresh red grape shake na alam mong super fresh ang mga grapes na ginamit. Hibiscus rose cocktail with hibiscus infused soju, rose and yak, and ang masarap na iced dalgona coffee with honeycomb on top. Sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga to. Ito naman yung Sam salad na may mango slices, cherry tomatoes, grapes on a bed of mixed greens. It's already tossed in pineapple vinaigrette dressing na bagay sa black sesame fried chicken. Sa Sam Sam Chicken naman ang in-order namin is soy garlic kasi kasama namin si Twinkle. Super crispy and very flavorful both meat and the skin. Super sarap din ang honey butter flavor nito. Itong bulgogi tapa bibim brunch bowl is a must try. Malambot at malasa itong bulgogi tapa. And the rice is japgokbap garlic rice. Texture and flavor bomb naman itong Royal Court tteokbokki pasta. It's al dente, chewy, crunchy, earthy, nutty, savory, and garlicky in each bite. Perfect ang pagkakaluto nitong crispy snow salmon and nag-enjoy talaga ako sa crispy skin niya. For dessert, we had the Yuja ice cream which is their signature citron flavored ice cream. Citrusy at very refreshing ang flavor. Thank you for watching!